Hello guys, welcome back to our The Logical Philosopher channel. And same same night, I am recording this my fourth video, and my all the videos near about 10 minutes only, not more than 10 minutes because uh, I was realized that if I will upload big content, big long video, there is no any response. So no, I have to at least I have to get one chance to improve my subscribers. So I will cut this video in 10 minutes only, and I want to see that how much response I will get if I will upload daily one video, or in one day I will upload two video. So in the starting phase, I know that YouTube algorithm will not give you the response in starting phase, because algorithm will not understand what type of person you are, and you are genuine or not, or either you are AI, using AI, or this is your real content. The algorithm will not understand, because algorithm itself is one based on artificial intelligence. So I can understand the system that YouTube are playing, and so slowly, I will get the response, and I can understand the YouTube algorithm will understand my contents, and after that I will get the proper response. I know that. So I am not that much of worry about that, why my contents are not viral, and I am trying to uh, viral my content and not getting response. I am not hurry about that. I know the situation. If I am uh, uh, sorry, I am creating very costly content, like I will go here and means out of my home, and I will expense money, and I will try to put the good uh, locations, and uh, I want to show you something good. So I have to spend money for this, and I don't have money that much of. So I will record this video in my home only. If I have money, I will go outside and I will shoot, and I will show you that, see, this much of my interest, and this is the location. But I think in the starting phase, uh, whether my content will not getting a proper response, I will not spend that too much of money. If my video, I will record thousands of video, and I will not get, my channel will not monetize me, that is no logic. Okay. So this is also, I want to monetize my channel also, because I need money. Okay. I am not rich person, and honestly speaking, that we are staying in India, and Indian people are very poor. I already told you that 70 more than 70% people in India, they are under poverty ratio. So we are poor people, not middle class also. So we need money. Okay. All people are need money, so I am also need money. This is the only one thing that I am starting this, and side by side I will improve my English. Side by side, you guys will understand what type of real condition in Indian rural people, rural area. And I will show you all the, if there is many, I have many friends are there. If this channel will get response, I will take interview also with them, and face to face we will discuss on that matter, that subject. So basically, I was discussed in last video that education system is not good, because I told you that we are struggling for small things in our life, like notebook, like pen, like this much. And right now condition is good, but not that much is good. If urban peoples are very active about their children's future, they will join many classes, many extracurricular activities, I think so. What is the proper word, I don't know, like dance, singing, drawing, painting, skating, whatever, many, swimming. Here is no any facility also. School in our area, school is very good. If one school is there, this is very big facility for us in rural area. So I don't understand how can we develop, how, I don't understand. And this is my big care about my nation, from my heart. I want to develop, I want to the I want to see develop my country, my rural area. My, if my rural area will develop, automatically our country will develop. And then I will say that our country is really top most economy in the world. But right now I will not say that. I really proud of my country, but if these people are not corrupted, how can I proud? How how can I proud of these people? How can I proud my country? No. Then you will come and will say me that you can change this country if you are caring this much. See, I told you that for one pen we are struggling here, for drinking water, for electricity. Okay, and you thought that I will change this country, but I am trying to express my thoughts also. This is enough for me. Or if I will get money, I will try. Definitely, you give me money, I will try. You give me money. If you will not give me so lot of money, give me the little bit. I will show you that I will donate this money for right person. I am not begging you money. I just, this is our discussion. If I will get money, I will definitely give the little change to these people, because I am not selfish like you. So this is my real struggle for this country, and I don't care about my lifestyle right now. Okay, so my English is not good. This is my basic sentence right now. That my English is not good, and I am trying to improve my English. But after this sentence, I will start uh, whatever in my mind, and I have to express my all thoughts. See, from last 40 minutes, I am getting a little kick, and kick means I am just uh, improve little bit of, because I know English. I told you that I was used to speak in English in my college day. There are my friends are, they are also interested in speaking in English. They are also from rural area, and what was my thought that if I am from rural area, that means not like that you have to not speaking English, and not see this much of condition in India. If you are speaking in English, the people will uh, not responsive. They will just tell you that, hey man, why you are speaking in English, why you are showing your education and this and that, means you are just showing off. But they don't understand all the situation, all the education based on English language. If you are rich person in India, okay, they have money, they can go foreign, they will take admission in London University, USA University, California. And in rural area, if you are a talented person, you just stay here and you live all your life in rural area. You work in farm, okay, and just for only for basic needs you will struggle for your lifetime. This is our situation. So that's why I'm just starting this channel, and every time I will tell you that now 10 minutes is complete right now, so I will stop this video. And please subscribe this channel, and like this video if you like, really, from your mind, from your heart, you like this video. If you like my content, you can share your good friend, because I want only genuine subscribers, not fake subscriber that they only give the response and will not watch my video. That is not good. So please subscribe my channel for good content, and we will meet you next video. Thank you so much.